everybody. Welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about means of transportation, medios de transporte, and we will talk about vocabulary. So, these are the basic means of transportation. Today we will check on pronunciation. So check it out. This is a car, a motorcycle, bicycle, scooter, vehicle, minibus, bus, lorry, train, airplane, helicopter, rocket, ferry, boat, ship. Okay, so these are the basic means of transportation. Now let's check how to use them. So, I'm going to create sentences using these means of transportation. I take the bus to go to work. Yo tomo el autobús para ir a trabajar. I go to school by bus. Voy a utilizar la preposición by cuando me refiera a un medio de transporte. I go to work by taxi. I go to my ballet class walking. She goes to the party by car. He goes to the office by ferry. So remember, it is your turn to practice and create your own examples. That's all for today. Bye-bye.